So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're getting this little pop-up on your particular iPhone that is basically telling you that you have joined the new Siri, but you're on the wait list. So it says joined waiting list on the Siri option for new Siri on iOS 27, and you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and fix this problem. Now, number one, you have to understand that this is going to be coming out in a rolling basis, and not everyone is basically, essentially going to be able to experience this at the same exact time. So the best thing you can do is just to wait it out and give it a little bit of time, give it like a couple of, hours or a day or two. And I'm seeing a lot of people get off the wait list within like a day or two. So that is the main way to fix it, is just to wait it out. Now, one other thing you can try doing as well is to try restarting your iPhone. So hold the volume up button and the side button at the exact same time. And all you're going to want to do here is slide to power off. So go through, slide to power off your particular iPhone, and then you want to go through and unlock your phone again. Now, what's going to happen here is that as soon as you do that, you might be able to see that your iPhone hopefully will potentially get off the waiting list again. It's a very low chance that's going to end up happening. A majority of this is going to be fixed mostly just by you going through and essentially kind of waiting out for it to get fixed. So wait it out, and then eventually you should be able to see that you're off the waiting list, and that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.